Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You know that I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here. But guess where I am at, guys? I am here in Trinidad. I am in Trinidad. This is my first time visiting the country, and I am happy that I get the opportunity to be here in Trinidad. So guys, I'm going to talk about my experience coming into the country, and I am going to also share with you everything leading up to this morning. This is my first morning here, and yes, my first day. I have not been on the outside yet to see what Trinidad looks like. Why? Jamaican with Tania. People from all over the world. Jamaican with Tania. In the night when I came in the night. So I see buildings, I see lights, I see houses, I see people, but I did not have the sun, I did not have day to look how beautiful and wonderful that place is. Guys, I am also going to the beach. I'm gonna show you my beach where you see it. So if you're saying sex me. I'm gonna put it down a little bit more so that you can see me a little better. Yeah. 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 That is actually my beach wear. That's actually my beach wear, guys. So I am excited to go to the beach. All right. I don't know what the experience is going to be like, but guys, I am definitely excited to go to the beach. I am so grateful that I got a great host. Oh my God, I get the right place to stay here in Trinidad. A loving family, so I am going to be okay. Okay guys, so I just want to share the experience so far coming here at Trinidad. I am sitting at the poolside, so you will hear a little water now and then. First, I traveled from Barbados, because as you're aware, I was in Barbados, and I took the opportunity to just come down to Trinidad. So I got here maybe about 10:25. That was in the night. However, it took me about 45 minutes to get my luggage, because I had to wait until they load on the luggage, and unfortunately there was just a misunderstanding with the luggage. So we got our luggage, and then I was off. Cleared immigration, and then I was off. So a wonderful lady, I have to big her up. You know, she's so wonderful. You will get to meet her a little bit later. Miss Alicia, she was the one that picked me up at the airport. And then, guess what, guys? We stopped at a mini karaoke. Just to get a feel of Trini life during the night. So we stopped at the karaoke. It was so fun. It was interesting, and guess what? I even took the opportunity and I sing my heart out. So I make use of the opportunity, and I just participated into that. But at that time, I know that I had to eat, so I remembered that I had taken the Barbados national dish with me. Well, guys, it is not actually the national dish, but the reason why I call it the national dish is that everywhere in Barbados I go, I will see a store or a fast food chain somewhere into the country. So it's more than likely it's a part of the national dish, because that store is always filled with people, and the people are always enjoying their food. All right, so guys, definitely I had a great time eating and drinking. Then I was also introduced to Trini rum. This is a type of rum that they use it to trace their drink and all of that, and the drink. So that experience was great. So basically I did have a great time on the first morning, because it was in the morning, and then I got home maybe about 2:30, 3 thereabout. That was the time when I got home, and it was so great to have an amazing room, somewhere to stay. And then I was out, I passed out. I was so tired, and I woke up in the morning this morning, and I am getting a feel of Trinidad, actually in Port of Spain, and this is like the town area, and it is going well so far. So I'm getting ready now. As I said, I'm going to the beach. It was a little bit dark earlier, so beach wear, active and ready to go. So guys, I want you to come along with me, and I do hope that the experience here is going to be great. It's going to be fun, but I am hoping to go to Tobago to be a part of that experience. So Trinidad. So guys, I want you to continue to support the channel. Remember to hit the subscription button, subscribe. So when you subscribe to the channel, it is free. It is free of cost to subscribe to the channel, and you can also share the channel with your friends and your family, so that they too can be a part of this wonderful experience. Being out of Jamaica, it has opened up my eyes to a lot of things, and I am humbled. I am grateful for that opportunity. So guys, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section, and continue to be a part of this wonderful program that we have going on here. All right, so guys, I'm sitting by the pool. Yes, sitting by the pool and making preparations now to go to the beach. Be there with me. Okay guys, so Alice is here to pick me up, and she is going to ensure that I have a great time here in Trinidad. Yes, I want to do a little introduction. Well, nice meeting everyone. So guys, we're going to have a great time, so just continue on the journey with us. All right, bye. Wow. Okay guys, so this is my first look on the outside of Trinidad. Remember, I came here in the night, so I was unable to. What they have over there with the tents?
That was carnival celebration.
Oh, so it was so close to the carnival.
Really, your foot was in it.
Yes.
But just too short.
So where am I at now?
You're Queen's Park East. This one comes to the Queen's Park
East. Yes.
I just said Queen's Park is like the biggest roundabout in the world.
Ooh.
This is Probably just so you see like Napa. Sorry, cold car driver. Now we have like steel pan and all the masqueraders pass through here.
Yes.
Right, so there'll be a lot of people and have food selling.
So this is the, what you call it here, Queens?
This is Queen's Park, Savannah.
Okay.
Right, normally this is where the masqueraders just pass, all the booths and things, be able to vend their products, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of bars. This is basically the big Lyman area.
Midas Touch, Jenny's Point.
Yes.
Oh, and they still have bar open on this side and
They still
food.
have bar and food and thing open. Carnival is done until about 3, until everything go down actually. But
Yes.
But once you're in Trini loves the lime, so it's a lime every single day, every single time.
Yes.
Right? But we're approaching here, we call it the North Star. And this stage here is where the masqueraders will cross this stage to be judged. Carnival Monday and Tuesday.
Oh, so there was a judging panel.
Judging panel, yes. Masqueraders will pass Carnival Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah.
Panorama, the steel bands will pass. I think it was the Saturday before. That was grand. That was the final. The semi-final will be some days, some weeks before that.
Okay.
So this is where all the major activities just take place.
So here will be filled with a lot of people.
A lot of people. Endless amount of people. Right, so just driving through here. In front is where all the nice booths and once in a nice booths also. The building you've seen in front there, as I told you last night, that is Napa.
Napa.
Yeah, National Sound and Art and stuff.
Okay. We're at the roundabout or no?
No, we're still in the Savannah.
Oh,
we
Savannah is huge.
The Savannah, it's huge. It's one of the largest, right? So this is the exit on this side. This is the entrance to the stand, Home Carnival.
Yes.
Normally they have like little display and stuff.
National Carnival Commission. So there's a Carnival Commission?
Yes, there is a Carnival Commission.
Oh.
Oh, you see the big exit point. Keeps it at bars and things still open.
Yes.
She look like.
How many days the carnival went on for?
Officially it's 2 days. But for Trinidadian it's approximately 2 to 3 months. But we start as soon as Carnival, as soon as Christmas, Boxing Day reach.
Oh, so there is more to come.
There is more to come. It's really kind of finished.
Finished now.
But soon as Christmas finishes and New Year's Day,
Yes.
we kind of have like fete after. Every weekend is a fete, is an activity, is a event. So it's a we don't have a bunch of events before the actual Monday and Tuesday.
Yes.
And then Ash Wednesday, we don't normally have like all the winners are the steel pan, all the competition, just come back on stage and give us a performance.
Yes.
Also.
Okay.
And then we also have the cool down, which is Ash Wednesday. It was yesterday.
So you said this roundabout that we're at is the largest roundabout in the world.
Yes, Queen's Park Savannah is the largest roundabout in the world.
Yes. So
To the left here is one of our wonders of Trinidad and Tobago, Queen Royal College.
Oh, that's a college.
Yes, Queen Royal College.
This point. The buildings, they are, what's the word that I'm looking for? They're historic, like
Yep.
they have like tradition on them,
I
like
think
years
this one
of
is
tradition.
Years of tradition. This is what we call our White Hall here.
Yes.
I think this one is Tolmaya Castle. Right? I'll go around the savannah again for you to get a better view and understanding.
Yes.
Right?
And we're still going around the roundabout?
Yeah, basically from where we started, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Still going around this Queen's Park Savannah.
Mm-hmm.
To the right is where...
So the park is huge?
Yes, huge. To the right here is what we call our hollows. That's our botanical garden. So huge again. And to the left is the zoo. So the kind of some kind of renovation now.
Yes.
Emperor Valley Zoo. And this is our beautiful botanical gardens.
Oh my, it's pretty.
Yep. So right now we having a little
Get together.
we call it like an excursion, we call them in Trinidad, we call it a field
Or
trip.
it's yes,
Field
they're
trip.
at the zoo, right?
No, they're in the botanical garden.
Botanical
It was
gardens.
before. So what we call in Trinidad, the kids are having a field trip. This,
Office of the President.
yep,
What you have here? Prime Minister or
the
President?
president.
Okay. So guys, we're coming from that side where the tents are, and we're still going around the roundabout and
Correct, around Queen's Park Savannah.
around the Queen's Park Savannah.
Yes.
Thank you. So it is a wonderful experience here in Trinidad on the first day out.
Okay, so we are actually starting back from it starting twice.
Yeah.
Started here. That is beautiful Belmont Circular. That is Belmont. Belmont have a lot of history. A lot of history. And folklore. Don't forget about that part.
Belmont.
Yes.
So how far is Belmont from the town?
No, Belmont is actually up in this whole section, that whole view of that mountain there.
Is it town area?
It's not town. That is like Belmont and Laventille and those areas there. That whole mountain there. It's like Belmont and Laventille. That's like Port Spain East and environ. Right? So this here is basically in Port of Spain. You're in Port of Spain, but just basically a part of Port of Spain.
Yeah.
It have downtown Charlotte Street.
Yes.
You have downtown Charlotte Street. You have old downtown. Right now you're uptown. Right?
Okay. The buildings though, they're huge. I guess Trini is large. They love enjoy large things.
And also during Carnival celebration, Monday, Tuesday, masquerade just flood the streets. All around here, all
So
downtown.
no traffic,
No
road
traffic,
block off.
Block here. Right? Here we could stop here in a little while also, and you can see that's the front items we have for sale. More local craft. We are passing on the side of Napa here. In the back of the Napa again.
That's Maritime Institute.
Yeah, Maritime, one of Maritime buildings there.
Ministry of Community
And performing arts.
Development, Culture and the Arts.
Yeah, that's Napa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so they maintain the culture
Yes,
of the country.
of the country, yes. Promote it, highlight it,
Okay.
teach it. A lot of people from the front islands come here also to study like performing arts.
Yes. So it's more like a school.
It's more like a school. And an amplified theatre, should I say. This here is Trinidad and Tobago National Museum. To the left here, National Museum. I'm going to open. Did it look like they're closed today? It look like they're closed today.
What they wrote on the sign?
Yeah?
You see what they wrote on the sign?
Okay then. Hope I didn't see that part. Right? This is our music.
Oh.
This here is our famous Memorial Park. I don't know if you want to come out and take a look. No. Okay, the only had fun? Okay,
yeah,
cool.
that's fine. Welcome home. Okay guys, I do hope that you love this video and enjoy this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button and follow me to see more adventures here in Trinidad. To be honest, when I was coming to Trinidad and Tobago, I was so scared. I was so afraid because everyone was saying you have to be careful. Down there is getting worse than Jamaica. This, that, you have to be careful. Oh my God, do not go there. Do not go there. You're going to this. So while I was sitting on the plane, I was so worried. Like, what is it that I am getting myself into? And guys, look at me. Look at me on the first day. No form of worry here in Trinidad, let me tell you. But therefore, what are your views so far? Did you enjoy the video? And right now we're on our way to the beach, and that is a video that I do not want you to miss. So you have to watch the next video to see our beach experience and what it was like, what the beach looked like, and all of that. Alright, so you got the chance to look at the largest roundabout. You have identified historical buildings and hoping to reach the beach safer right now, guys. Let me be honest with you, Trinidad give me a different vibe. Since I have entered the country, my whole vibe changed. I was so down, and then I just become this energetic lady, you know. It's like movement, always moving vibes. And like they said, lime. So it is the country of liming, and I am learning that, you know, the energy of the people liming all the time. Like, I cannot rest here in Trinidad. I cannot rest. I have to keep moving, liming, enjoying the fun and the beauty and everything that Trini has to offer. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Liquor more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of